In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks in Basecamp. Let's get started by opening up your Basecamp account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your projects on the home screen. Take a moment to find the specific project where you want to add tasks. This might be a client project, an internal initiative, or anything your team is working on. Click into that project so you're inside its workspace. Everything we're going to do next will happen within this project. Inside the project, look for the To-Dos area. Depending on your layout, it will usually appear as a tab or a card labeled To-Dos. Go ahead and click that. The To-Dos section is where you'll organize all of your work into lists and individual tasks, so you can keep track of what needs to be done and who's responsible for it. Now, we're going to create a new list. Think of a list as a container for a group of related tasks, like design work, launch checklist, or content calendar. Look for the button that says New List with a plus sign and click it. This opens up a form where you can define what this list is all about. Give your list a clear, specific name so that anyone on your team can understand its purpose at a glance. For example, instead of just tasks, try something like website homepage updates. In the description area, add any helpful context, what the list is for, how you want people to use it, or links to relevant documents. This is also a great place to attach files or add reference material, so team members don't have to hunt for information later. With your list created, it's time to add individual tasks. Inside the list, click the option that says Add a To-Do. You'll do this for each task you want to create. First, add a clear title. Keep it concise but action-oriented, like Write homepage copy or Review final design mockups. Next, choose an assignee. This is the person responsible for completing the task, so pick the appropriate project member from the list. Then, set a due date so everyone knows the deadline and can plan their work accordingly. Finally, use the details area to add any notes, attach files, or set the task to repeat if it's something that happens regularly. When you're done, save the task and repeat the process for each additional to-do you need in that list.